Thank you for calling me out. May I direct your call?
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Room number?
No. Tonight.
You'd like to make a reservation for tonight?
Yes.
One moment, please.
Thank you for holding.
Hi.
So you would like to make a reservation?
Yeah.
For what day?
Tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. And would you be fine with a double room non-smoking for $90?
Yes.
All right. How many nights, sir? Hello? 2 nights?
Yes.
Okay, and your last name, please? Sir?
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, first, how do you spell Schwarzenegger?
I don't know. Now I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions.
Okay.
I want to have them answered immediately.
Okay.
Who are you?
I am...
First, I would like to just get to know you.
Okay.
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
My dad is... He works in a factory.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
And do you need to know anything else?
No.
All right, and...
Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
What is your political crime?
Mine, I would say I'm more of a Democrat.
I want to be the people's governor.
Hello?
Yeah.
Are you still there? Okay.
Yes.
How do you spell your last name?
Come on. Don't bullshit me.
I do not.
Trust me.
Okay, S-U-S, Schwarzenegger, S-C-H?
Yes.
W-I-N-T,
Yeah. Correct.
E-R.
Yes.
Yes. And A-R-N-O-L-D?
Go on.
Yeah.
Yes.
And how many adults, sir?
I work alone.
Okay, so just one. And how many kids?
Negative.
All right. And your home phone number, please?
5, 4, 5,
Okay.
2, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5.
Okay, and how would you like to guarantee your room by, sir?
I don't know.
It would be like a Visa or MasterCard.
No.
Okay, so would you like to do a direct bill?
Yes.
Okay. And you will get a rate of $70.
Yeah.
And could I... Wait, never mind.
Who are you?
I work at the hotel.
Give me your address there. Yeah.
Okay. And...
Come on.
Alright. Check them.
I'm hungry.
Well, you can make something.
Yeah. What's the matter?
I'm looking at something about this for the direct bill. And are you ready for your confirmation number, sir?
Yes.
It is P as in Paul. 233 70-00.
Go on.
And then I have you for September 21st through
Yes.
23rd for a
Yeah.
2-night stay. And is that all right?
Yes.
All right, well, I'll be looking forward to seeing you. All right, and so that's all you would need?